Guys, what we have here is my polished brass, and I think it's polished. Looks that way. I'm not really too sure. Polished brass, 42-inch JCPenney Alaska Hugger from July of 1986. This came out of the living room when I replaced it. I think it's been 2 years now since this thing's been in here. Around there. It's been a while. And originally when I put this up in here, so I put this light socket on it. This one. Just ran it through the hole. Just ran into the switch, tied it into the light connection in the switch housing, and it was just dangling from the switch housing because I needed a light. And then I put this ball light kit on there a little while ago. Been quite a while. I'll give you a close up. Oh. The tag is over here. I can show you it. Here's the tag. I hope that's focusing or in focus. I don't think there's nothing on the motor. Actually, that might be antique brass. I'm not really too sure. It's got cane blades to just regular. I think this might be walnut, maybe? Or I think it might be walnut blades. And then just the light kit, which just has 3 LED bulbs in it. So there's the light. Still out of the way. This third chain is for the reverse, if you're wondering. Reverse chain. It has this SMC fob on it. And then these 2 pull chains came, and this extension chain and this chain and this came from the same fan. This light kit. This all came. The light kit and these chains came off of the fan that I pulled this from. But anyway, it's moving because it's kind of windy right now. But yeah, there's the light. It's okay with the light on or the light off. I'll do light off. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. Put it on low here. This is the one where it goes low, medium, high instead of high, medium, low. Also, I don't know if you noticed, but I noticed this yesterday because I was kind of cleaning it. But for some reason, the motor is I think the motor is sitting straight. It's maybe just the housing that's tilted a bit. But otherwise, because you can see right there compared to the housing is a little bit tilted. But I don't know if that's just how I mounted it or how it's mounted on the box, because everything's secure. Like it ain't going anywhere. It's just interesting. Go ahead and show you the light. Small breeze. Turn it on medium. And one good slight breeze, or it is medium with the light on. It's normally what it stays on. Just to keep some air circulating in here. Because this one comes on with the lights, because it replaced the light socket, a light in here. That one I don't turn on all the time. Most of the time when I'm in here, though, it is on. But occasionally, if you're just coming in here to grab something and turn the lights on, at least you have something to move the air around. Turn it on high. This thing flies on high. Throws a decent breeze. I don't know if you can tell because it's windy outside. Here it is with the light. And I'll go ahead and do a spin down here. Hopefully the wind doesn't affect it too much. And there we are. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.